Are you ready for a perfectly pure skin? Now, you do not have to fly all the way to Manila to have a perfectly pure skin. This is because Delaram Aesthetic and Laser Center brings you the Dermaclear. The Dermaclear is a highly powerful facial treatment that deeply cleans, hydrates, and nourishes your face. It is taking skin purifying and clarifying to a whole new level. Dermaclear is essentially a next-generation skin treatment that combines a thorough cleansing and exfoliation with the effective application of nourishing solutions. Dr. MJ Cadigal, the owner of Delaram, says the unique feature about Dermaclear is that it is not just a regular facial treatment. It has a patented 360 degrees rotating tip to ensure proper exfoliation.
It's a game changer when it comes to facial treatments. This is not just a regular facial treatment. The advantage or ang pinakamaayo niya nga ma-deliver, because this is the only device that has a patent 360-degree rotating tip. Wherein you are sure that you are delivering the proper way or the proper depth of exfoliation sa imong mga patient when you're doing cleansing of the face or exfoliation sa aton nga face, because it has a powerful capacity to deliver the proper exfoliation.
It is not just a machine. It is a powerful hydrodermabrasion system designed to transform your skin in 3 simple steps. It exfoliates, it cleans, and it hydrates, while it nourishes the skin without the pain, because Dermaclear works deeply yet gently. Dermaclear's powerful suction has the capacity to remove the impurities of the skin. And this is the first of its kind in Western Visayas.
Regular facials, we usually do the pricking, right? So sometimes, ang mga pasyente nagreklamo, kasakit, I don't want to undergo the intensive facial or the deep thorough cleansing because of the pain that they will feel with extraction as well. And mind you, if extraction is not done properly, you can cause problem to your patient's skin or face. Hindi lang sila nga maprik-prik lang tada sa mga blackheads and whiteheads, because there are a lot of things to consider when doing pricking, you know. So with the powerful suction capacity of Dermaclear, we are sure that we are removing the impurities sa aton na mga guya, no? Kag sa mga areas nga dapat naton i-treat, because it is controlled mechanically.
It also delivers proper nourishment to the skin with its special formulated solution. And this is not only for the face, this can even be used for the body. Just recently, Delaram launched Dermaclear with its longtime partner, Demarc Beauty Corporation. Gracing the event is no less than the founder and CEO of Demarc Beauty, Nikki Tang.
We're very happy with Dr. MJ supporting our products, because we are actually the leading provider and distributor of all these globally renowned dermatological or dermocosmetic skincare brands and even wellness products.
Clients and guests joined Delaram in welcoming the latest addition to their state-of-the-art medical wellness center. Exciting prizes were given to lucky guests. Dr. Cadigal says it is important that each one should feel beautiful from the inside, and this is what Delaram is offering their clients.
Beauty, actually, it has to be from the inside to outside. And if we are experiencing a clean, clear, and nourished skin, we know we are confident that we can do everything. Nothing can stop us. We at Delaram wanted to be a part of your journey in achieving good, radiant, and glowing beauty. And together, let's make beautiful happen.
For inquiries, you may check Delaram Aesthetic and Laser Center's social media pages.